Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm doing the pencil jar. I have an HTML file and a CSS. As for the colors, I'm using RGBA, which I think it's the first time I see me using this, and of course some hex colors. I will comment the box as I don't need it for now, and I'm going to start writing my classes in the HTML file. First I will have a jar class and then a jar top and a jar top copy. I want the jar top class only for a round effect in the top of the jar. As for the jar now, as always I'm having a position absolute on top, left, width, height properties, and I have pre-decided my colors, which will be a light gray. Now for the borders, I decided to do something pinkish. And another cool property that you should probably use is the border, but with bottom, left or right or top properties. You don't always have to use the border. You can arrange where exactly do you want to have the border. Now, as for the top and top copy, you don't have to change a lot of things. Just adjust some properties and you'll easily have the pencil jar you were looking for. Now I'm going to add some vertical lines just to have a prettier effect. We want them to have a very small width but a big height. Now every time you add a vertical line, the only thing that you have to change is the left property. Add 5% every time and then you will have it. Now we'll adjust my jar top a little bit, just to make the border a little bigger. I will continue with some horizontal lines. I think I want some more horizontal lines. Before I used 11 and now I think I'm going to do 15. The horizontal lines is pretty much the opposite of vertical. You want a big width, and a very small height. Again, every time you have to add to the left property 5%, and at no time this is ready. So now I just decided to add a pencil and a pen. I will have a stylish pencil and I think that I will have a pen too. Okay, the HTML is ready. Now you have to be careful with the colors and the RGBA properties. We use RGBA because we want in some points to see the final result, and in some others we don't want it to be so clear. And now you can see everything. Now I think it's better. For the wrapper, it will be pretty easy, and I want the full border and maybe a border radius too. Now the chain isn't the best name, but I couldn't think of anything else. Or the stick isn't a great name also. I wanted to mention that I will leave all the code as usual in the description box, and you saw me now using the clipping tool, which I will also link in the description box. Okay, I like my pencil. But now for the pen, I think that I will use it as a parallelogram and not as a big line, a big thick line. Yes, I prefer to make it parallelogram. This is way better. Now I'm going to style it a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I like this, and so now I'm going to continue with the rubber. The rubber, no, well, a pen doesn't have a rubber, but it has this pin to press it or not. And then to answer the pen, I'm going to have a stick, and again I'm using the clippy tool. Okay, and last but not least, I have the nose, and I'm using just the same colors, but of course you can adjust the colors. Now this is the final result, and thank you for watching.